Hi everyone! My name is Elena, and I create patterns for amigurumi toys. When I was learning to crochet, I watched YouTube videos, but I didn't like them because they were either too fast or unclear. That's why I decided to make a video for you, the kind of video I wish I had when I was learning to crochet. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a magic ring. This video is for complete beginners, so I will go very slowly and explain each step in detail. Please prepare your yarn and crochet hook so you can try it with me right away. Try doing it right now because just watching the video won't teach you. You need practice so that your hands get used to the movements and remember them. I will demonstrate the process slowly twice. The first time, watch carefully and try to memorize the order of the steps. The second time, I will pause after each movement so you have time to follow along with me. Let's give it a try. Take the end of the yarn and place it on your palm so that it rests on top of your index finger. Like this, secure the working yarn with your pinky. You can wrap it around your finger, but I hold the yarn between my index and middle fingers to control the tension. Try both methods and choose the one that feels most comfortable for you. Take the yarn end and lay it on top to form a loop. Hold this loop in place with your thumb. Next, insert the crochet hook into the loop. Grab the working yarn with the hook and pull it through the ring. Grab the working yarn again and pull it through the loop on the hook. Pull the ring to tighten and secure the loop. Like this, the loop that remains on the hook is called the working loop. Now take your yarn and crochet hook and follow along with me. Secure the working yarn between your fingers. Take the yarn end and lay it on top to form a loop. Hold this loop in place with your thumb. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. Grab the working yarn with the hook and pull it through the ring. Grab the working yarn again and pull it through the loop on the hook. Pull the ring to tighten and secure the loop. Did you get it right? Please let me know in the comments if my explanation was clear. Don't worry if it didn't work on the first try. Your golden hands just need some practice to get used to these movements. Let's continue. Next, we will crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring. Hold the ring and the yarn end with your thumb and middle finger. Yarn over the hook from above and pull it through the ring. Yarn over again and pull it through both loops on the hook. Congratulations! Our first single crochet stitch is complete. Let's repeat this 5 more times. Pull the yarn through the ring. Then pull it through both loops on the hook. Hold the ring with your middle finger. And again. One more time. Count the stitches you've made. There should be 6 of them. Take the yarn end and tighten the ring. Now take the working yarn and finish the ring with a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch. It might be a bit difficult, but that's okay. The first stitch is always tight. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. And immediately pull the resulting loop through the other loop on the hook. Congratulations! Your first slip stitch is complete. Instead of a slip stitch, there could be an increase if it's specified in the crochet pattern. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos with detailed explanations of other crochet stitches. I hope you enjoyed it. Support me with a like, and see you next time!